Welcome back guys. Check out what I have in my hands. For the first time testing and trying Keydous keyboards, the NJ98 model, selling on the official website for $140. Budget friendly mechanical keyboard with a controllable knob for the audio, and even a mini tiny display which can even function as a calculator. That is super cool. I never saw something like this in a keyboard. 8000 mAh battery, obviously swappable keys, RGB, full RGB light, and of course it has multi-platform support with Android, iOS, Mac, laptops, Windows, you name it. We'll be testing everything in one single video, so don't go anywhere. Of course, if you want to support our channel, shop online with our links. Get this one with our links in the description. So let's begin with this video. Enjoy!
Upon unboxing the Keydous NJ98 keyboard, you are greeted with a comprehensive package that includes the NJ98 keyboard itself, a switch, keycap puller for customization, a USB Type-C cable for wired connectivity, a dust cover for protection, and convenient 2.4G dongle for wireless use. The NJ98 offers versatile compatibility, supporting various systems in both wired and wireless modes, compatible with the different devices Windows, Mac, Android, and Linux. Comes with the FN key programmable. Supports also ultra-low input latency, 2 to 5 ms for wired, 6 to 8 ms for 2.4G, and 10 to 15 ms for Bluetooth. Experience responsive and lag-free typing with the NJ98's polling rate of 1000 Hz in 2.4G and wired mode, and 125 Hz in Bluetooth mode, ensuring smooth performance across different connectivity options. One of the standout features of the Keydous NJ98 is customizable display screen, allowing users to personalize the keyboard with different functions, GIFs and static images. With cloud-based driver software, users can load up to 3 GIFs and 5 static pictures at once, making it a versatile tool for personalization and productivity. Additionally, the display screen doubles as a handy calculator, providing quick access to calculations without leaving your keyboard. Keydous prioritizes quality typing experience with the NJ98 incorporating multi-layered padding featuring porous sandwich cotton materials. This internal design ensures soft acoustics, comfortable rebound, and reduced empty spaces within the keyboard, resulting in a premium typing experience. It supports the full range of magnetic switches, supports both 3 and 5 pins hot swappable mechanical switches. Enjoy a compact layout with a 98 key arrangement, occupying 20% less space compared to full-size keyboards. The NJ98 features a multimedia knob made of aluminum alloy, allowing for smooth rotation with tactile feedback. Customize its functions to enhance productivity, including volume adjustment and mute controls. Elevate your typing experience with a customizable RGB lighting featuring 18 present or customized static dynamic effects. Adjust brightness and speed to match your preferences and immerse yourself in a vibrant typing environment. The NJ98 boasts a massive 8000 mAh lead battery, delivering impressive runtime results. With RGB and screen always on, enjoy up to 29 hours of continuous usage, while power saving mode extends battery life to a remarkable 800 hours with RGB and screen off. In conclusion, the Keydous NJ98 keyboard offers a unique blend of customizable features, premium build quality, and versatile connectivity options, making it an ideal choice for users seeking a personalized and efficient typing experience. With its compact layout, professional internals, and long battery life, the NJ98 stands out as a versatile and reliable keyboard for both productivity and leisure. If you want to get one for yourself, the buying links will be in the description. And yeah, enjoy, keep it cool, and stay connected with us until our next keyboard review. Have a great day, and bye bye.